Mga barko o principal na hawak ng Magsaysay Maritime Corporation. Princess Cruises, known for elegant service at relaxing vibes. Love boat style na cruise. Aida Cruises, German cruise na lively at young ang crowd, kilala sa Kiss Lips na logo sa harapan ng barko. Costa Cruises, Italian cruise na may Mediterranean food, music at fun Italian style. P&O Cruises UK, British classic cruise, may formal nights at elegant afternoon tea vibes. Viking Ocean Cruises, luxury cruise para sa mahilig sa culture at history. Ponant Ubia, French luxury yacht style cruise para sa adventure at elegant experience. Polgogin Cruises, specialist sa Tahiti at South Pacific. Small ship pero super ganda ng service. Four Seasons Yachts, ultra luxury cruise by Four Seasons Hotel, parang 5-star hotel sa dagat. Saga Cruises, British cruise para sa 50 years old and above. Relax, classy, all-inclusive. Marella Cruises, UK-based cruise na family-friendly at affordable. Chill at masaya on board. Astro Ocean, Pianoland, Chinese cruise line na may Asian food at entertainment para sa local market. Star Dream Cruises, Asian luxury cruise na may mix ng Eastern and Western hospitality. Crystal Cruises, high-end luxury cruise, fine dining, elegant service, maliit pero sosyal na barko. Carnival Cruise Line, casino only, pinaka-fun at lively cruise, party vibes, shows at casino entertainment. Mitsui Ocean Line Cruises, Japanese luxury cruise, tahimik, elegant at may authentic Japanese hospitality. Ang impormasyon na ito ay binahagi sa akin ng isang recruitment officer mula sa Magsaysay Careers para sa inyong kaalaman. Maraming salamat po ma'am. Para sa interesadong mag-apply, maaari kayong bumisita sa kanilang official Facebook page, Magsaysay Careers. Good luck po sa lahat ng applicant.